Alrighty, welcome to the video about how to write a cover letter in 1 minute using the ChatGPT. So some companies will ask you to also submit a cover letter along with your resume and CV when applying for jobs. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write you a cover letter in just 1 minute, a quick and easy method. And if you're not sure what ChatGPT is, it's a chatbot created by OpenAI, a company called OpenAI. It looks like this. It's completely free to use, and you can use this message chat prompt to ask you any questions, and it'll give you answers, including what is ChatGPT, and it'll go ahead and tell you about itself. And just a disclaimer on the bottom, it does say ChatGPT can make mistakes, so do consider checking important information. So let's take a look at how you can use AI, artificial intelligence, for job hunting. So to get to this screen, whatever search engine it is that you use, you type ChatGPT and you want to click on the link that's by OpenAI. The URL has OpenAI in it. If you click on it, of course, you'll need to log in if you don't have an account yet or if you have never used it. And you just use this message prompt to ask whatever it is that you want. And so let's see, can you write me a cover letter? Let's see where it takes me. And of course, could you provide me with some details? What position are you applying for? And do you have any specific experiences or qualifications you'd like to highlight? Well, this becomes a little more complex. That's not in 1 minute. So instead of asking ChatGPT, can you write me a cover letter? You're actually going to specify the position that you're applying for. Let's say for a business analyst, please write me a cover letter for a business analyst with 3 years of experience. And certainly, voila, here you have it. So you take this, which is about 90% complete, and you fill in the blanks and you remove any irrelevant information. And it does say on the bottom, feel free to customize this template to better fit your experiences and the specific requirements of the job you're applying for. And there is a little button called regenerate. If you don't like this response, you can actually click this button and it'll give you a different kind of format of the answer, whether it's a cover letter or whatever question that it is you're asking it. So let's copy one of these responses using the copy button. Don't do drag and copy because it'll mess up the formatting. So you click copy and let's go to the Microsoft Word here and you're going to paste it. Let's review this together. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, so it looks like this, and this is your letter, right? And there's a bunch of parentheses, the square parentheses. So let's see how you can make this to be yours. So, dear hiring manager's name, I'm writing to express my interest in the business analyst position at company name. So this you'll want to change as advertised on what? Sure, you can say as found on your website or as I saw on LinkedIn. With 3 years of experience in business analysis, a strong analytical mindset, and a passion for driving data-informed decision-making, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team. So first paragraph is always about a brief introduction. In my current role at whatever company you're in, what skills do you have? What kind of experiences do you have? Right? And if you find that any of these don't apply to you, then you can just go ahead and delete it. So if you say in here, if ChatGPT says, I have honed my skills in data analysis, requirements gathering, and process improvement. And if you don't have experience in requirements gathering, you can just go ahead and scrap that, right? And just double check your grammar and such. So additionally, my experience in collaborating with cross-functional teams has equipped me with the ability to communicate complex technical concepts to stakeholders and all so on. And the next paragraph says, one of my most significant achievements, which is great, was leading a project to streamline inventory management processes, which resulted in 20% reduction in excess inventory. So if you have a similar experience, go ahead and replace that. If you don't have this kind of experience, then highlight some other achievement that you have. What is your most significant achievement? And it shouldn't take that long because it should just be straight out of your resume. And you can replace these numbers to something that is more you. This project involved conducting comprehensive data analysis and so on. I am particularly drawn to your company, so just kind of change that because of its reputation for innovation and commitment to driving positive change in the industry. And lastly, you just kind of finish off with, thank you for considering my application, eager to further discuss how my background skills and such can contribute to your company's goals. So, I mean, yes, it takes 1 minute, less than 1 minute to get this format, but to fill in the blanks and tweak it and customize it to your resume, it might take a few more minutes, but much easier and quicker than writing it from scratch. Okay, so what if you're not a business analyst? What if you're a marketing professional? How would you ask the prompt? Well, you go ahead and say, write me a cover letter for a let's say advertisement, for an advertisement professional, and voila, you have it here. Okay, format is pretty much going to be the same. You have your introduction, you discuss your achievements and why you want to work for that company and so on. Let's copy this over. We go to our Microsoft Word. I'm just going to delete this and we copy this over. Pretty straightforward here. Let's get rid of all this. Make sure you use the proper cover letter format, which you can easily find online. So same thing. Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the advertisement professional position at which company. Right? You literally put literally put what position you're applying for in ChatGPT, and it'll give it to you, and where you found the job posting. So this is the introduction. Feel free to pause the video and read it over if you'd like. But the second paragraph gives you an overview of what you have done, what this person has done. And then the third paragraph goes into discussing in more detail about some of your successes and your achievements, like 30% increase, 20% growth, and so on. So anything in the square parentheses you want to customize, and why you want to go to this company, because of its innovative approach to advertising and its commitment to delivering impactful campaigns and so on. Thank you for considering my application. You always finish off with let me know if you have any questions and so on. So and once you do that, voila, super quick. Okay, and let me show you one last example. Let's say you don't have any experience and you were a new grad. Okay, you're a new grad with a degree in electrical engineering. Then you ask ChatGPT this: write me a cover letter for an electrical engineering new graduate. Boom. There you have it. And same thing here. You read it. If you don't like it, regenerate the answer. If you like it, copy it over, and boom. Okay. So even if you don't have any experiences, ChatGPT will give you responses that are tailored to that. So why are you writing this? Because you're a new grad of electrical engineering, and I'm applying for your company. What did I do throughout my academic journey? What I'm capable of, and my projects, maybe in my senior year or in my internship. And I want to come to your company because of what? And thank you for reading my application and so on. So, pretty straightforward. This is how you use ChatGPT to write a cover letter in 1 minute. And that's job hunting with AI, with artificial intelligence. Good luck.